Alright, it's the end of the workday on Wednesday. We had our inspection. City building inspector came by, pretty much checked our setbacks that were 5 feet from the fence lines, made sure we're installing it according to the plans, gave us approval to continue. So tomorrow we got pumper truck showing up at 9:30. Concrete will be delivered, and we'll be pouring the 8-inch footing beam behind the panels here. I'll stop at a pipe supply place, bust out these rings here and hook them in, and put vertical 6-inch pipes that'll help support the concrete deck around the pool. While we pour the footing, we'll fill those tubes full of concrete as well, up even with these little chair heights all the way around. Gives it extra support, structural stability for the decking around the pool. Everything's level, locked in, secured. And we're just going to put these 2x4s down here along the bottom just for safe measure, because we're a little bit worried. We had a hard time driving stakes. Broke a lot of these plastic stakes. Had to get a demo hammer out and pounding rock bars and everything else just to get the stakes in so we can lock pins into the ground. Later on, I actually read a fact sheet that said we could have upgraded for an upcharge to get steel stakes instead of these plastic stakes back here, but we got them in. They're all in. They're all locked in, so everything's plumb, level, ready for the pour tomorrow. Building a little extra tall form. Normally it's going to be 8 inches around the pool. I want to go up 13 inches to have the concrete meet the underneath side of the first bottom step down there to give it full support. And then the rest of this will be backfilled with gravel. We'll put a form in from right here at the edge of dirt over to where we're meeting those other forms there, just don't want to waste the space filling it full of concrete. Little upset with Amazon. We spent a little bit more money and ordered all my flexible PVC piping from Amazon because they said they can give it here 2 days, which should have been here today. Trying to figure out where my order is, and the status says it's not going to be ordered till next week. And I really needed it for after the concrete pour tomorrow. We could start installing the plumbing and backfilling. So that's really blown my construction schedule. We called and complained. They said they were going to expedite the shipping and that it could hopefully be here by Friday. Hopefully, the keyword. So it may delay a little bit our schedule. But tomorrow we're pouring the concrete over there around the pool. This is my equipment pad. We got it all laid out, reinforced, electrical bonding copper wire there to the bar, or the wire mesh basically. And everything's ready for it and compacted. So we'll pour around the pool and everything tomorrow. Then find miscellaneous things to keep us busy and prep until we get pipe, because I can't backfill any of this. I got people coming over Saturday to start helping lay the floor inside. I had a big delivery from Home Depot today. I got 12 94-pound bags of cement sitting in my garage. Put it inside because there's a 20% chance of rain possibly. And then I got like 110 bags of sand, 50-pound bags of sand, and we're going to mix a 5-to-1 sand cement ratio and put a 2-inch floor all the way inside the pool. Wherever you see dirt inside is going to be that sand cement mixture. So that's going to happen Saturday, but I really need to get the plumbing in here so I can backfill around these stairs and get it compacted so we can at least use the stairs to be hauling buckets of that sand cement into the pool. Otherwise we may end up postponing it. So a lot of moving parts, a little bit of setbacks, a lot being done. Had a contractor come out and install a gas line from our meter over here to the equipment pad, so we'll have natural gas for our pool heater. That green tag shows it passing inspection as well. They basically had to had to hold, I believe it was 15 pounds of pressure. The inspector let out some of the pressure while he was here, but our contractor had it clear up to 15 pounds, and it was holding all day. And it passed the inspection, so got all the rebar for placing around the pool after we get our everything backfilled. This is going to go into the deck, concrete deck around the pool. So I got it all detailed out, more bars there, and we got some on the other side of the house over there. An elaborate reinforcing detail. So anyway, like I said, people are complaining, wanting updates. It's been too busy working to take a lot of videos and pictures, sorry. Here's a couple pallets of the sand that we had delivered. And like I said, be mixing these with the cement, making a 5-to-1 ratio between sand and cement. No rock. It's going to be going like a peanut butter paste, so it sticks to the walls when we put it up. So anyway, that's all the update for now. We'll do another update after our concrete pour tomorrow. Another work's done to show how it looks. So later.